Good morning, students. In this video, I will discuss the descriptive portions of lesson 18. First question is, mention the main provisions of the right to equality. The answer is on page number 151 in the last. The provisions are given here. First is, all the citizens are equal before law. For the justice in our country, all the citizens are equally getting the justice. Then second is there is no discrimination on any basis like religion, caste, gender, place of birth. All are equal in all the walks of life. Number 3 is given, everyone is entitled to equal opportunities in all the walks of life. Means whether it is job or the education or any other opportunities, we as a citizens of India getting equal rights. Then fourth is the law gives equal protection to all. For security, we all are equal in our country. Equally protection is given to all whether belonging to any class or any caste. Question number 2 is, how can the people keep a check on their representatives? It is on page number 150. In the last para it is written, people keep a watch on the activities of the representatives to guard their rights. And you know, children, if they will, by their activities, if people will feel they are not doing properly, then they will not give the vote next time. It is written in the first line, the people, in the third line it is written, if the elected representatives do not do so as the wishes of the people, people do not vote for them in the next elections. Question number 3 is, list the important steps taken by Indian government for the benefit of the weaker sections of society. Many steps are taken by our government, like on page number 153 on the top it is written, many laws have been made to protect the rights to equality. For example, equal opportunities in education and jobs. Then in mid also here it is written that many schemes are started by the government like free and compulsory education along with midday meals. Also then uniform and books, scholarships, medical checkups are also provided to the children. Then our government also has adopted many other measures like loans, self-employment schemes, low budget housing on installment, free legal advice, etc. Then all to increase literacy in our country, the government has started many schemes like Operation Blackboard, universal elementary education, adult education, etc. For the girl students and children belonging to the weaker section, there are reserved quotas in government schools as well as in the private schools. Question number 4 is, list the factors that create inequalities and hamper the success of the democracy. Two factors we will do in this answer. Number 1 is discrimination, inequality on the basis of caste and community, as one example is mentioned in the book on page number 152 in the last para, that there are discrimination on the basis of caste. Some religious places ban the entry of people belonging to other communities and caste. Then second point we can give as education. People illiteracy, people are not aware of, as they are not educated, they are not aware of the policies given by the government. Then question number 5, why have the benefits of reservation not reached everyone? The benefits of reservation are not reached everyone because of lack of education and awareness. Its second part is, suggest 2 steps that can ensure development of all the sections of Indian society. First, we can give this only as the first part is lack of education. In steps we can give first point that all should get the opportunity of education with the heading education and awareness. All the people should get the opportunity of education and must be aware of the government policies. Second step we can give with the heading about the government policies. Government should take strict actions against those people, those who are giving caste-based discriminations. So whatever these are descriptive type questions, wherever some words are there, it is better not to write only word. We are to write with the heading of that word. We should write full complete sentence. All the answers of descriptive type must be in the sentence form. In today after this, children, you revise A, B, C, D and this E part. Thank you.